Hello everybody, this is Dino. What I want to do now is do a complete mix, but I'm going to do it very quickly. I want to measure how much time does it take to make a complete mix. Okay, so bear with me right now. There's another tutorial where I go step by step through every feature. So for this test, I'm going to go fairly quick. Okay, I have a stopwatch right here, and let's start. We're gonna go with the bass sound. Let's load here. I have a pretty good song I want to include. Click OK. So it's loading the bass sound. There it is. Now let's go with the subliminal sound. And we're going to use the be positive affirmations. Okay, let's not include binaural beats for now. Click mix. I'm going to use this one. Yep, replace it. And it's mixing. So we're gonna wait just a few seconds. Almost done. And it's ready. Stop right here. 1 minute 21 seconds approximately. Not bad. So there you go. A complete mix, easy and fast with the Mindzoom mixer.